Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing Laguna stuff again, which is something I'm sure a lot of you have been looking forward to. I'm over in Suffolk at Deben Motorsport Fabrication with Jake, and we are going to be doing a little bit of roll cage work again. This time, likely the pedal box and the steering column, just to get the full tailored fit for my body type, which is going to be very nice because he could have just built something for anybody, and we sort of could have made it work, but he said no, come down and we will get it exactly how you want it. And do you know what, I'm excited. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, hope you enjoyed that episode. Not a huge amount of physical progress, but an awful lot of things that we are getting measurements for so that we can have like little brackets made up and then get them welded in. An awful lot of stuff in this sort of period of time doesn't look like very much progress, and yet there's a lot of finicky bits, and we're in really sort of the final home straight now. So I've got the car hopefully coming back to me in a couple of weekends, so look forward to that, because that's when I can start looking at doing the rebuilding, putting the dash in, getting some paint on the cage and stuff like that. So if you would like merchandise like this, DM me at Chris the Car Builder. The t-shirts, I haven't got any printed at the moment, and the hoodies, so let me know and I can get some sorted. Stickers are £2.50 UK mainland posted. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.